yeah, what we're working on today is a 2005 2500 HD. I'm installing airbags on it.
Airmaxxx airbag.
Airmaxxx airbags. They're 5,000 pounds heavy duty. They're universal airbags. Pretty easy to put on. I work on F-150s, F-250s, a lot of different vehicles, 1500 series Chevy trucks, whatever. I work on about anything. And also, I work on anything up to a 3-inch wide leaf spring. You drill 4 holes in the frame. Do it like that. 4 holes there. Get these U-bolts like this. Goes up through here. Goes up there through there like that. Put you some washer and nut on them. Well, anyhow, you know how to do that. Then we'll put one on the back.
Yeah, that's pretty
like
basic.
This. Pretty simple. Hardest thing about this job is drilling holes in your frame. Well, anyhow, you tighten that stuff up, tighten up your bolts up here, and you want to make sure they're good and tight, flat against your frame good, because that way your tires don't rub anywhere. And then you hook up your air lines at the top here. See the air lines right there? Hook the air lines up, and you run them to the back. And what the air lines is, airline, couple valves, T-valve, cut it into 3 pieces, 2 long and 1 short, hook it right up. Anybody could do this, even my woman's done it before.
I don't know about that. There's a tow bed you put in there.
And it'll make your 1500 series truck into like a 1 ton if you're
Heavy duty.
heavy duty, yeah.
Okay.
See?
You got anything else to tell them? That's your tow bed you put back here.
Yeah, I'm making a homemade tow truck.
Yep. That's a Home C20. There's the winch. Set up. You want to shine the light on this one since you got it done?
This is one that's already been done. That's what it'll look like when it's all hooked up, other than the airline. It worked very well. It'll raise your truck 3 inches.
Okay. All right.
See
That's
ya.
it for this video. Peace out.